Oh, wow. The oyster looks good, huh?
Two oysters.
Wow. One of the specialties.
Yeah, they eat
Yeah.
from Japan. Yes.
From Japan.
From Japan.
Yes.
Oh, no wonder. No wonder the oyster looks good. And we have a very nice view of the Han River. I'm going to show you how this place looks like. This is the balcony if you want to have a dinner here at the Four Square of Novotel. And Berna is already seated while waiting for our dinner. But I'm just showing you the ambience. It's overlooking the Han River. Now let's give it a try. The oysters from Japan. Actually, there's two oysters, one for me and one for Berna. Pero ayaw ni Berna ng oysters. Mama, it's all mine? Oh, okay. Sure ka? Ayaw mo ng... Ha?
Hilaw?
Oh, hilaw eh. Siyempre masarap yan. Okay, it's all mine. Naubos ko na yung isa, ma. Oh. Ayan oh, naubos ko na yung isa. Ang sarap. Meron pa ako isa pa, oh. Ayan oh, meron siyang tinatawag na hinaluan niya ng ano eh. Tingin muna sa view. Ayan oh, hinaluan niya ng isda ng fish. Wow. Nasubukan ko na isa. Masarap talaga. Lalo na kung may ambience, oh. Wow, look at that, ambience. Sabi ng mama, oh. Ubus ko yung dalawang oysters, oh. Buti na lang, ayaw mo. Oysters from Japan, rejected by Berna Baron. Tingnan lang sa view ulit. Na 100,000 dong per oyster. So, I ate 2 oysters. So, magkano yan? Magkano? 2 oysters, 500 pesos. Ha? Okay. Eh, galing naman ng Japan yan. Wow. Ganda ng view natin, oh. Hindi pa tayo magku-cruise by the river, Berna? Ayan, oh. Cruising by the river, parang kamukha sa China. Ayun, oh. Ayun ang Han River. Tapos dito, Hilton and Marriott's. Hindi lang maliwanag. Uy, mukhang masarap, Berna. Yum yum, ah. Mukhang masarap yan, ah. Vietnamese rolls. Oh, ano yan, suka. Malamang suka yan. Ano? Ha? May kabyar sa taas? Oh, wow. Oh, saan yung kabyar?
Ito.
Yan, kabyar yan.
Ayan.
Oh, yan. Lagyan ng kabyar, ha? Ano? Ano masarap? Yung kabyar o yung lumpia rolls? Okay naman? Wow. Perfect view dito sa balcony ng Novotel Han River. Pala, Melia Vimper, isang hotel na mataas. Yes, yun ang mga sikat na hotel dito. By Vimper. Oh, now here comes the steak. Okay. Wow, that looks good. Well, I'm gonna share this with Berna. Berna, tikim mo na. Try the steak. Oh. Yan. Ano? Pumutol ka na. Sigurado ko, yum yum yan. Oh, ikaw ang taste expert. Oh. Ano? Anong lasa? Malambot? Malambot? Ah, okay. Tingin uli sa view. Ayun. Sabi ko, medium, oh. Ano, parang medium rare siya, no? Kasamang mashed potato and asparagus. Okay naman. From the mashed potato, I have one more bite. My last bite. Tapos meron pa akong 3 pirasong asparagus. Mukhang kuwawa naman yung plate ko. 1 bite na lang, Mama Berna. Let's end the story. How's your dinner? How was your dinner? Okay? Mama Berna's very, very shy. Okay, this is the Han River of Novotel.